everyone. Once again, this is Anand Munshi, motivational speaker and success coach. Guys, today it is going to be a fantastic session just because this is the call of hour. This is the timely input we all need how to get the best out of our personal life, professional life, and parenting is such a wonderful thing. We all have to get into this. There is nothing what is called as part-time parenting. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. Parenting is full-time approach. Okay, so let me start by asking very quick question. Okay, are you guys, please go on mute, thank you. Let me start simply by going to the definition of parenting. Okay, parenting is the process of raising children and providing them with protection and care in order to ensure their healthy development into adulthood. Okay, this is going to be a very important thing. There are two very important things here. Raising the children by providing protection and care. Protection and care. Okay, all right. So I need few volunteers here who can just be happy to be asked question and keep the notes. Anyone who want to volunteer for this, please?
Yeah.
All right, so
Mr. Munshi, I can do that.
Okay, so who is that?
This is Diti Priya speaking.
Okay, Diti, fantastic. All right, so Diti, you could be the note taker as well so that we can keep back coming again and again. All right, so if you think that you are very special, here it is. Parenting is the easiest thing in the world to have an opinion about. अगर आपके पास में कोई पेरेंटिंग के लिए आएंगे ना तो आप उसको सलाह इतने दोगे कि इससे अच्छा तो वो कर लो, इससे अच्छा तो ये कर लो, ये मत करो, ये छोड़ दो. It is very easy to think about it for someone else. But when it comes to you, it is the hardest thing in the world to do. All right? ऐसा बोला जाता है कि ये 5 लोगों को कभी जिम्मेदारी नहीं लेना चाहिए. It is said these 5 people should not take responsibilities if they cannot do the justice. Don't be a father, don't be a mother, don't be a husband, don't be a wife, and don't be a teacher. तो अगर आप 5 लोगों को ये जो है, अगर आप ये 5 लोग अगर आप जिम्मेदारी से ऊपर नहीं उठ सकते, so please don't worry about taking the responsibility. See, parenting is all about sacrifice. Parenting is all about sacrifice. If you're not ready for sacrifice, you're in the wrong game. You are in the wrong game. There is nothing called easy parenting. There is nothing called part-time parenting. There is nothing called difficult parenting. Parenting is parenting. Okay, ये सेशन को 2 तरह से करा जा सकता है. Okay, considering the children point of view towards parent, and the other thing is considering parents input towards children. All right, so we will take this into account. There are so many things that we can do. All right, my quick suggestion, guys, if you have any question, please hold on to that question. I'm seeing still some messages are coming. I hope nothing is serious, everything is okay. It distracts, so please refrain from posting any welcome or thank you messages for time being. All right, so here the important thing for all of us is parenting is full-time. It is I would say it's a thankless process sometimes, but we all have to do. I want to tell you a few stats. Guys, please go on mute. Thank you. Okay, so I want to share a few stats. आपको पता है एक दिन में एक दिन में पेरेंट्स कितने देर एवरेज बच्चों से बात करते हैं उनके? Anyone can volunteer for that answer? What is the average duration a parent speak with their child every day? At an average.
Maybe an hour or two.
How much? Sorry?
Maybe hour or two counted everything together.
Oh my God! This whole world will be a wonderful place if they speak for 1-2 hours every day. Anyone else?
I think somebody has written in the chat box 5 hours.
5 hours. Oh my God, they should wake up from the slumber. 5 hours is
No,
way too much.
okay, I
Actually, it
think
says written 15 to 30 minutes.
15 to 30 minutes. Who is that? Who said that?
Vanessa Joseph.
All right. So very close. Very close. Anyone else?
I think we speak hardly for 30 minutes, not more than. I mean, we speak to them. We hardly communicate with our kids.
Fantastic. Wow. This crowd, I love this crowd. You people are very intellectual. I don't know if you need this session or not. This is such a wonderful thing. Okay. According to Harvard University, at an average, the normal parents speak with their children for 11 minutes to 12 minutes. Okay. 11 minutes to 12 minutes.
Mhm.
Out of that, 10.5 minutes is negative talk. Negative talk. तूने ये नहीं करा, तूने वो नहीं करा, तेरे को ये नहीं आता, तेरे को वो नहीं आता. We start to fight, we start to swear. Okay? And 1 minute is neutral talk. 1 minute is the neutral talk. And only 30 seconds is the positive talk. So the first people that we have to address is ourselves. Sometimes parents are expert in getting the worst out of the kids. Okay, these are some of the stats. Okay, and there is one more thing. If you do the correlation, अगर हम जो crime rate हो रहा है उसको अगर जोड़े, poor parenting is one of the main reason why. Poor parenting is one of the major reason why the lots and lots crimes are happening. Lots and lots of crime are happening just because of poor parenting. Okay, so this is such a big responsibility, big responsibility. And I must tell you,
I have one request, sir.
okay,
If you ask parents to, close the video because it is distracting. We are not able to concentrate on what you are talking. I mean, all
okay, I think that's a good option as well. Guys, if you are not speaking or if you don't have any immediate need to show your face to others, I think it's a very good option.
That is true.
All right. Okay, guys, this session I prepared a lot for this. This is going to be a very experiential thing. So let's get into the flow. Please switch off everything. Let's focus on this. This is going to be a game changer. So my request is that please switch off your mute yourself and also disable your video sharing. All right. So guys, the important thing here is we have to understand the role a parent can play. Now, who I'm talking to, people are already very intellectual, with 1, 2, or maybe 3 degrees, already working, you already have a job, you come from a very good family. Do you really need to know what parenting is? The answer is no. The answer is no. You don't need to have a good parenting input. You already know this. Then what this session is all about? This session is all about engaging and entertaining. As ma'am has already said, I am a father. I am a husband. I am a son. So whatever you are going through, I am also going through. I can tell you with my experience, with what all things I learned, some of the things are proven, some of the things that I discussed. There are certain valuable techniques I want to share. It has worked with hundreds and thousands of people, and no doubt it will work with you as well. So this is such an important thing we want to share and discuss. And I am not here that like a sage from the stage. मैं ऐसा नहीं हूं कि आपको बोले जा रहा हूं just one way traffic. At any time, please come and have your opinion. We will discuss this. We will understand this. The idea is the children, the parents should get the wonderful experience of this noble responsibility. So हम इसको शुरू करते हैं. The second thing that I want to tell you here is this. Okay, the sign of great parenting. The sign of great parenting is not the child's behavior. No. Sign of great parenting is not the sign of child's behavior. The true sign of great parenting is the behavior of parents. Hello guys, please mute yourself. Okay. Diti Priya, let me check if I can make you one more host. Just give me a second.
Anand sir, you can mute others, those who are not talking.
Okay, I am doing it again and again.
Also, if you
Yes, you can make somebody else a host as well. So then that person can
go around muting people.
Sounds fantastic.
So can you put your presentation in full screen mode, please?
Sure. Diti, I am making you host.
Right.
I'm making you co-host. Okay.
Right.
All right. So now you please keep a vigilant eye. Okay. So that's
Yeah, sure.
fantastic. All right. I will buy you a gift next time when I'm seeing you. Fantastic. All right, guys. So let's get on. Let's get on. Okay. All right. How many fingers are these? Can anybody tell me? Quick, quick, quick.
3.
Three.
Three.
Wow. Genius. You people are intelligent people. Fantastic. All right. Is my screen visible to all?
Yes.
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay, now nobody can stop us. We will roar and roar like anything. Okay, guys, I will tell you one quick example that happened in Melbourne when I was there. I was in the grocery store. It's a very big grocery store. Okay. And there this lady was there and she was carrying around 2 to 3 years of her kid. And the kid, वो इतना जोर जोर से रो रहा था, एकदम गला चिल्ला चिल्ला के रो रहा था. Virtually, he was crying out of the lungs. And everybody is coming, giving that very pretty eyes to that lady, looking at the child, trying to console them. और ये चल रहा था, बहुत चल रहा था, बहुत चल रहा था. They are trying to do everything that is possible. उतनी देर में वहां का मैनेजर आया, ग्रोसरी स्टोर का मैनेजर. ग्रोसरी स्टोर के मैनेजर ने बोला लेडी को, लेडी जी प्लीज लुक आफ्टर योर चाइल्ड. आप आपके बच्चे की तरफ देखिए, मुझे बताइए आपको क्या क्या खरीदना है, मैं आपकी शॉपिंग ट्रॉली भर देता हूँ. लेडी ने बोला दैट्स फाइन, कोई जरूरत नहीं, आई विल डू इट, आई विल मैनेज दिस एंड दैट. लेकिन जो बच्चा था वो रुकने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा, जोर जोर से रोए जा रहा है, जोर जोर से रोए जा रहा है. अभी 1 मिनट में कुछ ऐसा हुआ, वो बच्ची को उसकी मम्मा ने जोर से चांटा मार दिया यहाँ पे, टड़ाक. और पूरे ग्रोसरी स्टोर में एक शांति छा गई. अब पूरी की पूरी जो भी सहानुभूति थी वो बच्चे पर आ गई. पहले लोग देख के मदर से सहानुभूति कर रहे थे, अब बच्चे पे कर रहे हैं. Okay, Diti, I will tell around 5 to 6 golden statements. So please keep a note and I will tell you, please repeat whenever the time comes. Okay. Number 1, the most golden statement is here. Don't worry if your children don't listen to you. Don't worry if your children don't listen to you. Worry, they are always observing you. They're always observing you. Okay. That is such an important thing. So we have seen, आपने आज तक आपने बच्चों को कभी आरती सिखाई है, जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश देवा? Have you ever taught them? No.
Yes.
They
yes.
just listen to us what we are doing. They learned it. आपका फेवरेट गाना पता नहीं कौन सा, मेरा फेवरेट गाना ये था, तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम. Don't worry about my voice. हमारे बच्चों को बिना फुल स्टॉप, बिना कॉमा, सब छोड़े पूरा का पूरा याद है. Why? Why? And I will tell you the second magical technique, the second golden statement. The second golden statement is free. ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हम बच्चों को जो नहीं सिखाते वो सीख जाते हैं, और जो हम बच्चों को बिल्कुल भी सिखाना नहीं चाहते वो तुरंत सीख जाते हैं, और जो हम सिखाना चाहते वो नहीं सीखते. I will tell you the reason. The reason is free. F-R-E-E. The acronym is free. The first F is of freedom. Freedom. कोई भी चीज में फ्रीडम रहना चाहिए. They should love what they are doing. That is free. R, repetitive. एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक repetitive होना चाहिए. आप आज भी आरती कर रहे हो, कल भी आरती करोगे, परसों भी आरती करोगे. Over a period of time, this becomes in our natural routine, in our daily routine. This becomes our daily habit. F-R-E-E. The first E is of entertaining. Make it entertaining. Everybody comes, everybody enjoys, everybody eats prasadam, everybody do this and that. And third is everybody is doing it. Whether you are in this house or other house, everybody enjoys doing it. So make it free for kids. They will love it. They will do it. Everything what is required. And this is such a big impact that the children will have on their life. Okay. So start doing something that is about the child's behavior. And parenting is all about child's behavior. No, it is all about parents' behavior. इसीलिए संस्कृत के अंदर एक वर्ड होता है टीचर को. संस्कृत में टीचर को क्या बोलते हैं? कोई बोलेगा? क्विक. Anyone? संस्कृत में टीचर को क्या बोलते हैं?
Guru,
Guru.
Guru. And anything else?
Shikshak,
Shikshak. Anything else?
Guru,
ऋषि मुनि
Rishimuni.
अध्यापक
गुरु, शिक्षक और एक और वर्ड बोलते हैं, कुछ बोलेगा? विनोबा भावे को क्या बोलते थे हम लोग? विनोबा भावे.
Acharya. It's Acharya.
Thank you very
Acharya.
much. Who said that Acharya?
I said Ashwini.
Wow, very nice. I will buy your gift. Okay, you are eligible for one session with me. You can come and talk with me about your kid. No problem. Acharya. Acharya का literal meaning होता है who teaches by example. अपने आचार्य से सिखाते हैं, आचार से. Okay. So that is very, very important. Let's go to this one. Okay. These are my favorite teachers. Okay. It is easier to build a strong children than to repair a broken man. I will read it 3 times. Okay. Gagan Patil, can you please read that for me? Gagan Patil, please. Can you read that wonderful statement? Gagan Patil, you are sleeping?
And then
All right. Anthony, you please tell. Anthony Bagal.
Yes, I'll just speak. It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men by Frederick Douglass.
Thank you. Thank you. See, such an important statement. The best thing to repair a person is when they are very soft in the early part of their life. That's why we put the tree guards, so that we want to protect them. And as a life coach, I do the counseling for the people who are in depression and anxieties. People come to me with lots and lots of broken things within them. Lots and lots of broken things in them. There was one famous violinist, and he had a broken leg. Okay, when he was in the very early part of his life, he got polio and he lost both the legs. One time he requested that he want to do the audition, he want to do a big symphony for all of them. And he is such a wonderful person. Whenever he performs, people from far and wide, they come to see him in action. He is a genius of the craft. Okay, as soon as the audition started, as soon as the concert started, the session was hardly 5 minutes, and suddenly one of the chord from the violin bursted. And suddenly there was zoop sound in the auditorium. All of them knew that one of the chord from his violin is broken. Okay. Now he had 2 options, either to stop the concert and get the new one, or to continue. Now you know that we cannot play violin with 2 chords. It's not possible. I know that with 2 chords we cannot play the violin. But that day, this gentleman refused. Stop all of them, saying, "Don't come to me." And he requested the conductor to start the music from where they have left. Okay. And then he went into the trance. And he said the performance of that particular day was really out of mind, out of the place, out of the world. As soon as he finished, there was pin drop silence. Nobody was speaking. And after a few seconds, there was such a big uproar, such a big standing ovation. People kept on clapping and clapping and clapping and clapping. It is said in New York, in the Lincoln Center, that was one of the best performances ever. All right. The organizer of the event came. They were very happy, very grateful. And he requested the pianist, the violinist, sorry, would you like to tell something? And what he said is such a wonderful statement. He said, there is so much broken thing inside within us. But it is our duty to play the best music in the life with whatever is available with us. Whatever is available with us. Guys, maybe you may not have the perfect situations in life, not having the proper job, proper this, personal life and professional life, but we have to work and we have to raise ourselves to become a good parent. And this is the second one. And this is my favorite. Oscar Wilde is my favorite. Who will read this? Sayali, would you like to read that, please?
It is easier to, the best way to make children
The best way to make
them happy.
Fantastic. All right. So the best way to make children good is to make them happy. All right. This is a very controversial statement, but I totally believe in this. I will come back to this again. All right. Let me start this. Okay. Here is the litmus test. अगर आप दिन भर पेरेंटिंग करने के बाद में अगर थके नहीं हो, टूटे नहीं हो, मर गए हो बिल्कुल, इसका मतलब है कि आपने ढंग से पेरेंटिंग नहीं करी है. So ask this question: are you really tired? Yes, then you have done the parenting nicely. If you are not tired enough, it means you are not doing parenting. Parenting is a thankless, it's a really, really taxing and very, very involved process. Okay, this is a wonderful thing here. There is a special prize for this. I want all the parents to have a quick look at this picture, and I want you to answer this. What is the best message we can get from this picture? I will give you 30 seconds on this. Please tell me what you see there.
Learning is easier, but unlearning and learning again new thing is difficult. So rate of
Okay.
learning is
All right, thank you. Anyone else?
There should be
Anyone else?
teamwork. There should be teamwork while learning and
Okay.
change in it.
All right, anyone else?
Learning with the
Hard
failure.
work
and
to
after
go
that-
ahead.
Sorry,
Hard work.
learning should be greater than rate of change.
just one at a time, please. One at a time. Yes,
May I?
yes.
Hard work to go ahead.
Okay, hard work to go ahead. All right, that's also good. Anything else?
May I?
Yes.
The rate
Learning is the
of
best.
rate of learning should be
Learning against shrink.
Sorry, who said that? Rate of learning is
greater than rate of change.
fantastic. Who said this? Rate of learning is greater than rate of change. Please tell me who is that?
What is that means?
Sridharan.
Dimension.
Change is inevitable, so our rate of learning should be greater than the rate at which the change is happening.
Fantastic. Who is that? Who is that person? What's your name?
Animal Joseph. Animal Joseph.
Animal Joseph. Guys, let's clap for this lady. Wonderful thing. Very nice. Very good.
Very good.
Okay. See, rate of learning should be greater than rate of change. Please understand this. And that is the best thing that we can see there. These people, the team of people, they are together, they are working. The important here is they all have to learn much quicker than the rate of change that are happening in that tumultuous water stream. So this is very true for you. Guys, if you compare what you know today with 10 years back, you know much more than what you know today, right? But the question is the situation around you is changing quicker than that? You should always have this equation positive. Rate of learning should be greater than rate of change. Even if you're in personal life, professional life, if you're a manager, if you're an executive, if you're a CEO, if you're a teacher, if you're a student, I don't care. Rate of learning should be greater than rate of change. This is second golden statement, Ditipriya, for your input. So rate of learning should be very important. It should be greater than the rate of change. As long as this is positive, you should not be worried about losing your job. You should be always employable. You should be very happy, positive, vibrant, filled with energy. Rate of learning should be greater than rate of change. How to do that? How to improve the rate of learning? The answer is given at the top. Avoiding failures or seeking success. एक बार हमारी लाइफ ही हम ऐसे जीते कि हमको फेलियर नहीं होना है, that's okay. But important thing is we should look for success. We should look for meaningful success in life. So avoiding failure is okay. We will fail 9 times out of 10. Things won't go according to our things. The important thing is, as a parent, we have to understand our prime responsibility here is to get the best out of our life. Even if we start doing this thing one after the another, we start to get the best what is available with us. All right, with that, let's move on. Who is in the real control of the child? Many parents will do anything for their child except to let them be what they want to be. They will do this, they will do that. They will do this, they will do that. Okay? And I tell you the third very important golden statement. See, we are telling it's not fathering. There is nothing called fathering. There is nothing called mothering. But there is something what we known as parenting. All right? So it's a joint effort. It's a joint effort. How many of you are working and have a corporate life? Just say I.
I.
How many of them? Please share in the. Please share in the. Please share in the chat box. Just write working. Okay. If you are working mother, write WM, working mother. Write WM if you are a working mother, and write WF if you are working father. Okay. Is a working mother, WM, working mother. All right. And if you are a working father, write WF. Okay. There is one more thing that will come up. Okay. If you have working mother and working father, so write WMF. WMF, please. WMF. I want to analyze this because I have so much data to share with you guys. Okay. Write WF for father, WM for mother, and if both of you are working, earning truckload of money, making all your children happy, write WMF. Beautiful. Let's move on quickly. Okay. Now something very important is coming. There is a special prize. Who will tell the correct answer for this? Am I audible, Diti Priya? Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
you are audible,
Yes.
but I think sometimes the voice is breaking up a little according to some of the participants. Yeah, you are
Okay.
audible, but
All right.
at
Thank
times
you.
your voice is breaking.
All right. So let's see if we can improve this. Guys, please do this. Okay. Who is the real mother of this lovely boy? Who is the real mother?
The lady who is wearing green.
Green.
Lady who is wearing green.
Green or red?
Green.
Okay. Why green or why red?
The facial expressions.
So
She
facial
is looking
expression.
at child.
Body language.
What's wrong with facial
Sitting
expression?
position.
The body language.
She is leaning forward.
She is leaning forward. Okay.
क्यों काम कर रहा है युग 12 को लेके
Guys, we are talking about parenting. Guys, please come on. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay.
Child is facing the mother.
Child is facing the mother. Who said this? Who said this?
Josila.
Sorry?
Josila.
Josila. Okay, that's a wonderful answer, Josila. Full points to you. See, and also the posture of mother is always going to be filled with anxiety. She is little restless. She is not leaning with her back towards the chair. She is little tilted forward. And look at the leg position. She is not putting one leg over the another. And child will always look at the mother. This is at least in the early part of their life, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Job George has raised the hand. Please tell me, Job, what we can do for you.
Sorry, sir, that was my mistake. Sorry.
All right, that's my mistake. All right, no problem at all. Okay, now the important thing here is the famous quote. This is the fourth golden statement, Diti. The fourth golden statement is, it takes parents 18 months to make their child walk and talk. It takes 18 months for parents to make their child walk and talk, and next 18 years to make them sit and listen. Okay, so now the second phase is on, guys, so you have to be ready for the musical thing that will come on the way. All right, here it is. All right.
Sir, sorry to disturb you.
Okay, please tell me, how can I help you?
There is a lot of echo coming.
Lot of echo coming. This happens when too many people are on mute. So, sorry,
Echo is only coming from your end, sir.
For my end, what do
Yes,
I
sir.
do now? I don't know any secret mantras. I don't know what to do.
It's okay, we'll adjust.
You will adjust. Oh, you are such a nice person. Thank you. Is it okay now? Is it better or still echoing?
No, it is not echoing.
Oh,
It is manageable.
It's
It is
manageable.
manageable. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay.
Yeah. Carry on, sir.
Now
Carry
I'll
on.
tell you one very important thing. Okay. So I could see here Abhitosh. Abhitosh, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Fantastic. I have a fantastic question for you. Are you intelligent person or not?
Very much.
All right. Let me check your intelligence. Is your wife there as well?
Yes, she is here.
Okay, fantastic. So I think you should say in front of her that you are an intelligent person. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Beautiful. Make sure you are wearing helmet after this. So, okay. Now, question for you is, see, there are two types of balls. Two types of ball. One is plastic ball, other is glass ball. If I throw a glass ball at you, All right. And if you're a little careless, and if you drop that ball, the glass ball will break. Yes or no?
Right.
But if I throw some plastic ball to you, even if you are careless, if you drop the ball, anything will happen? Nothing will happen. Yes?
Yes.
All right. So you and your lovely wife, if between you two, can you please tell me a few examples of plastic ball? I give you one example of plastic ball and one example of glass ball, right? See, the glass ball is looking after the health. It's a glass ball, right? You cannot play with it. You cannot ignore it, right? That's a glass ball. And plastic ball is that you have to go to a movie. If you cannot go to a movie, that's just a glass plastic ball. Even if you don't go, nothing big will come. Yes?
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay. So can you give me 3 more example of plastic ball and 3 more example of glass ball? All right, quickly.
So glass ball example, the first example will be giving nutritional food to the kids and to the family. The second example of glass ball is nurturing their talent by observing their skills.
Very good.
And third glass ball will be, giving them emotional support. So these are 3 glass balls as per me.
All right, let me, your wife now can contribute for the plastic ball.
Yeah, so plastic ball, one example we will give going to movies which you have just mentioned.
Okay.
The third is, the second one, plastic ball example can be, going on a ride, going on a weekend hoteling.
Okay.
And third is, from kids' point of view, I'm speaking. The third plastic ball example is.
Thank you. From kids' point of view, you are such a great person. You are such a great person. This time you finally decided to speak from child's perspective. Wow, very nice. But you are speaking very nice. What you do for a living, Bitosh? What you do for a living?
I work for a private organization.
Yeah, you have to work, right? No choice for you, right?
No choice, sir. That's right.
Okay. And is your wife working as well?
No, she's a housewife.
Okay. Fantastic. Big clap for this lovely couple. Very nice. Thank you very much. All right. Now, here something important is coming. Okay. Arrange the following order of their importance. Highest priority first. Got it? Now I will tell you 5 characteristics. You have to make sure that you arrange them from highest to the lowest. All right? And your time starts now. These are the 5 things. Let me see who can do this right.
1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 1.
4, 2, 5, 3, 1. Who was that?
All right. 4, 2, 5, 3, 1.
4, 2, 5, 3, 1.
Yes.
Look, guys, this is interesting. A child is telling what should be the priority. 4, 2, 5, 3, 1. Homework is coming last. Teachers. Homework is coming last. I'm sure teacher won't be very happy. Teachers, is any teacher here?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So any teacher may talk to you.
Yes.
2, 4, 3, 1, 5.
2, 4, 3, 1, 5.
So 2, 5, 4, 1, 3.
Okay. All right. Abhitosh, I think now you are getting in the position where you know all the answers. So please be quiet.
Yes, sir.
Guys, this is where it catch 22. Parents fighting in front of the child and parents regularly beating their child. Which is the first? Which should be stopped first? Tell me. This is important.
Second.
I think both are equally damaging.
No.
Because one is emotional and one is physical.
I am not listening. I want number one. This is
Number 1 is
To stop the second one.
Second one.
I think 4.
Second is first priority because the child observing.
He is back answering. Maybe 4.
Parents regularly beating their child.
आपल्याला नाही बघितलं तर दुसऱ्यांना तर बघितलंच ना तू म्हणतात.
Regularly beating their child.
Yes, both one.
Okay,
Sir, the second option.
okay, second or fourth. Let's do a quick poll, please. Quick.
Second.
Four.
Second.
Always
Is it then it's
Diti, can you, how come the chat is stopped at 147? People are not writing, or you disable the chat?
No, I have not disabled.
All right, okay. All right. Guys, parents fighting in front of the child and parents regularly beating their child. Okay, now if the psychologist, okay, if the psychologist, if the people who are great thinkers, if they have to be respected, number 2 is more deadly than number 4. Number 2 is more deadly because parents fighting in front of the child, and child, for him or her, their parents are the natural shelter. Natural shelter. And if they are fighting like cats and dogs, and excuse me for that language, if they are fighting for like cats and dogs, he thinks he's not in safe hands. She thinks that she is not in safe hands. Physical torture is okay, it is still acceptable. But once the child loses trust and faith on parents, do you know more and more kids are not getting married now when they're growing up? And you know what's the reason is? वो क्या बोलते हैं मालूम है? Because this kids comes to me for the life coaching. वो बोलते हैं कि मेरे माता पिता को कुत्ते बिल्ली की तरह लड़ते देखा, मुझे शादी करनी ही नहीं. Such a bad example. Such a bad example. So guys, please clean the dirty laundry when everything is over. Don't do it in front of the child. This is such a great responsibility that is given to us. Please don't dilute. If you have differences, you will be there. See, husband and wife, these are two different genders. Different upbringing, different knowledge, different conditioning, different perspective. They are two different beings. It is natural and normal to have difference of opinion. What is not so normal is sitting across the table and discussing. Come on, guys, we are educated people. And according to one research, more and more educated people are getting divorced. And the people who are challenging their education, they are nice, they are ready to accept things as they are. This is such an important thing. The important bonding is of the parents. So number 1 is parents. Number 2, is the parents beating to their child. What is number 3 now? It should be easy.
Number 3, sir.
Child back answering.
Child back answering.
Right. Child back answering has got very, very behavioral upset. Okay. If child is misbehaving, it means it is already too late. It has to be focused and understood. Right? And now I just want to talk to one of the teacher there. Teacher, most of them will say homework will come in the last. What do you think?
No issue, because they will learn slowly. So,
right. See, homework is important. We have to understand something urgent and something important. So that is such an important thing. I want a small promise from all of you guys. Okay? At least for a week. You have my phone number, you have my email address, you can reach to me through your website. Promise that for next 7 days, no fighting with each other, and also no beating if you're beating to your child. If you agree to this, just write A in the chat box. That's it. Just write A. No fighting among ourselves with husband and wife fighting, and nothing about beating the child. Let's do a 1 week pilot. All right. Patricia Alex has raised the hand. Is it by mistake or you have something to say?
No, it's by mistake.
All right. No problem. I still love you. No problem, Patricia. No problem. All right. So guys, are you ready for this? Are you going to promise that you will be there? Hello, can you hear me all?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
See, even a small act of writing A in the chat box, that will make you committed. I want people to commit to something when they're coming to this. And I tell you honestly, see, whatever I'm going to talk or understand, you can easily go through some Google things and get it downloaded. No problem at all. The important thing is information, 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 and no transformation. I'm here for some transformation, right? Let's move on quickly. Okay, have we gone wrong somewhere? See, we have commercialized everything. We have gone into the commercialism. Okay, we have put our son into the rat race. I give a small example. एक बार एक छोटा बच्चा स्कूल से घर पर आया, उस दिन उसका रिजल्ट था और पिताजी ने पूछा, बेटा तेरा रिजल्ट आया, क्या हुआ? बोले, पापा जो शर्मा अंकल है ना, डॉक्टर अंकल, बोले हाँ, बोलो उनका बच्चा भी फेल हो गया। तो पापा ने गुस्से से बोला, नालायक, मैं तेरे से पूछ रहा हूँ तेरा क्या हुआ? अरे पापा जो दुबे अंकल है जो कि इंजीनियर है, बोले हाँ, उनका बच्चा भी फेल हो गया। Now I will slap you. I am asking you, what is your result? वो एंथोनी अंकल है ना, उनका बच्चा भी फेल हो गया है, वो तो आर्किटेक्ट है। बोला, can't you listen what I am asking? What is your result? बोला, पापा एक बात बताओ, जब डॉक्टर का बच्चा फेल हो गया, इंजीनियर का बच्चा फेल हो गया, आर्किटेक्ट का बच्चा फेल हो गया, तो आपको एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन हो जो आपका बच्चा पास होगा? Guys, most of the time we try to take our life to the next step, and this is the only way we are going to do this. Don't start a rat race. Whenever we see the racing track, don't assume that we have to run that race and we have to win that race. It's not happening. We have to do it right. Okay? Declining family values. Are we declining? Have we seen the extended family? By the way, guys, the people who come from the extended family, their level of tolerance for each other is wonderful. Okay. For those who are working in the corporates, mothers and fathers, here is a simple 5 minutes thing that you can do this. If you practice this every day for 5 minutes, the chances of you becoming more productive at workplace will increase by 90%. Okay. All you have to do is be very patient and tolerant when you're dealing with your child for 5 more minutes. Okay. Don't shout at them. Don't yell at them. Don't beat them. Just try to incorporate. Just try to be happy for 5 minutes. Because in doing it, you will be more tolerant. You will be having a lot of patience. Because according to one survey at workplaces, more and more people are having trouble because they cannot tolerate, they are running out of patience. And because of this, there is conflict at the workplace. The best way to improve your level of confidence and patience is start with your son. All right? Okay. And this is the fourth one. We set a wrong example. We don't control our mouth, what we are talking. We just keep speaking whatever we want to tell you. Okay. Number 5 golden statement, Diti, for you. Don't speak when you are very, very angry. Don't speak when you are angry, because whatever you speak at that time, you will regret it later. And you will make the worst speech of your life when you are angry. So whenever you are angry, please come out of the situation. And anger is 1 letter short of danger. Anger is 1 letter short of danger. Okay. Now, guys, please, I want to just understand how many of you think are short-tempered. Okay. Just write ST into the chat box. If you think you are a short-tempered person.
Right.
Right. How many of you are short-tempered? Okay. Fantastic. All right, guys. Now, the remedy for short-tempered is you have to go for a walk. You have to go for a long walk. The remedy for short-temper is you have to go for a long walk. Come out of the situation, get the things done. Because very slowly it will go to the other people. I want to take a small divergence. I want you to come with me to the survey that you have submitted. Okay, and it is here. Till now, guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No.
That's my screen, right?
Yes.
No.
No,
Yes.
we can see you, but
No.
we can't see the screen.
Actually, we can't see you right now. We can't see.
No.
Okay, can you see now?
Yes, it is now.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
It is visible.
Yes, sir.
Now it's
Good.
All right, guys. See, I want to quickly take you through the results of the survey. Very, very important. And this is where the maximum problem comes in. Guys, so far only 386 parents have submitted their results. So if you haven't done till now, please do this, because this is an eye-opener. This is an eye-opener. Let me quickly take you through the question. Rate your child's confidence level when interacting with his friends or teachers. Okay. 42% says they are excellent, and 47% says it's an average. Guys, this has to be like 80 or 90%. Okay, you should be excellent when dealing with your teachers and friends. This is a tremendous area. What is more concerning is 10% they are not comfortable interacting with their friends and teachers. This is the biggest concern we all have to understand. Okay. All right. Number 2, does your child comfortable speaking in public? By the way, public speaking is one of the very important aspects if you want to grow in your life. It improves tremendous chances to improve personal life and professional life. Okay. So if you haven't done till now, there is important thing that you can learn about public speaking, and this is a skill. Public speaking is a skill. It's not a talent that you're born with. It's a talent. It's not a, it's a skill. All right. Here, 36% says they are very confident, and he can do when they are pushed. It means there is 50-50. They cannot do much. Again, the concern is the 15%. That's where they need improvement. Okay. Number 3, does your child shows proactive or leadership actions when interacting with siblings, friends, and strangers?
Sometimes.
Okay. I tell you one thing. So many parents comes to me that they want their child to develop leadership traits, leadership, because now when they are in corporate, the number one skill that the corporate people look, especially in the time of pandemic, especially in the time of change, they want leaders, the people who can take leadership actions. See, 49% of them, they say yes, they can take, they are proactive. But again, 45 or 46% almost, they take sometimes. And around 5% they think they never take the proactive actions. This is again a concern. All right, here, rate your child's self-discipline skills. Okay. 53, almost 54% they are not disciplined. And again, 13% needs improvement. Okay. I go to colleges to conduct the inductions in MBA colleges and engineering colleges. Number one problem these students face is time management skills. And look, it is so evident here. Only 20% of them are having excellent time management skills. Now, please understand, guys, some of you, your children are very small. Okay. But you don't have to wait. Make them understand how they can be more conscious in terms of time. The first thing you can do is to buy them a watch. That is the first thing you have to do when you are going to buy them a watch. This is such an important thing. Okay. Average is 52 and 28% think they need time management improvement. I think most of the adults still feel that they need improvement in time management. Okay. How nicely your child take responsibility. 42% says yes, 42%, 49 says it's an average, and again 8.3% says needs improvement. Goal setting and goal getting. I know it's little early, but yes, not sure as 43% thinks they are not good with this. Okay, we have to understand. This is the maximum question that is asked to me whenever I go, how can I reduce my child's time when he or she is on mobile or internet or television? The screen time, less than hour is 10%. And guys, can you imagine more than 4 hours? It's almost 12%. Can you imagine? According to one research in America, 7 years of someone's life goes into the screen time. 7 years of a person's life goes on a screen time, watching television, mobile, internet, and even laptops now. 7 years just goes into this. Now, this is such a big epidemic. More and more children are suffering. They're getting issues with their eyesight. They are not able to focus, and everything is so nice, so nice. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. बच्चे वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं, उसके अंदर वीडियो गेम में बहुत ही क्विक रिस्पांस चाहिए होते हैं. किस किस के बच्चे वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं? Video game, VG. Just write VG in the chat box, please. I just want to understand how many of them play video game. Okay, video games. All right, guys, I tell you, this is much more deeper and dangerous than what you think. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. एग्जांपल ये है कि बच्चे वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं, उसमें हर चीज क्विक होती है. इधर करा तो गाड़ी इधर चलेगी, इधर करा तो गाड़ी इधर चलेगी, उधर गया तो अचानक से आसमान में कूद गया, उधर गया तो गाड़ी से घूमे जा रहा है. एवरीथिंग इज वेरी क्विक, वेरी वेरी क्विक. आई टेल यू वन थिंग, ये बच्चा जब वीडियो गेम खेल रहा था, उसने उसकी मम्मी को बोला, मम्मी मुझे पानी चाहिए. अब मम्मी बिस्तर से उठी, पैर जमीन पे रखे, धीरे धीरे कर कर किचन में गई, धीरे धीरे कर कर गिलास निकाला, धीरे धीरे करके आरओ का नल खोला, धीरे धीरे करके उसमें पानी ने भरा, धीरे धीरे करके वो लेकर आई. और जैसा ही वो मम्मी बच्चे के पास में गिलास लेकर आई, बच्चा बोलता है कि कब तक लाऊंगा, मैं मर जाऊंगा, उसके बाद लाओगे आप. Guys, the children are losing the sense of reality. उनको पता ही नहीं कि किस काम में कितनी जरूरत होती है, कितना टाइम लगता है. They become restless. They become restless. They don't know how to behave. कितने सारे बच्चे they cannot relate in the real life situation. उनकी बात बात पे उनके सिबलिंग से, उनके माता पिता से लड़ाई होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि they are dealing with the artificial world. They don't know. अगर आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है तो this is a wonderful thing that you please have to understand how to get the best out of your life. We have to find different interesting ways how to limit the children's time on the screen. That is something that's going to happen. Okay, this is interesting here. Does your child regularly fight and have arguments with siblings and friends? Rarely is 38. Few times is 40, almost 50%, and most of the days is 13%. This is very, very dangerous, guys. Arguments very quickly comes into the things, and as soon as they goes to the teen, this will get and much more involved. Okay. Okay. Now here, does your child leading a balanced life, mix of entertainment, sports, studies, and social activities? Only 24, not even 25% says yes. And remaining they say yes. Sorry, the other way around. I'm sorry. Does your child complete work he or she is assigned? Generally complete is 51%, and always complete is 44%, and never complete is 5%. Okay. Your child needs supervision? Always 13%. Generally 51%. Never 35%. This is good looking. Okay, now this is my favorite. These are the common challenges the parents are facing. 46% parents think their child mind is distracted. Okay, again 132 thinks that they have short-tempered things. Okay, back answering is almost 25%. And this is again the public speaking coming again and again. By the way, guys, most people they come to us these days is all about speaking in public. आपको पता है लोग मरते मर जाते लेकिन पब्लिक में बात करने से डरते हैं. They'll hate it. And this is the result that will be available if required. So we will be in touch with the school authority. Okay. All right, let's go here again. Is my screen seeing now? Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we can see the pie chart.
Pie chart. Oh, you can see the pie chart.
Yeah.
Can you see the PowerPoint slides?
Yes, we can.
Do you see that black stone there now?
No.
No, we can see the pie chart.
Actually, we can't see the slideshow right now.
Yeah,
the
it is not
PowerPoint. We
PPT.
can see the pie chart and the survey. We can see
the
it.
survey that you did.
Okay. Can you
Yes.
see now?
Yes,
Now
yes.
now the stone has come.
Yes, now it's come.
Okay. And now is it? You can still see it?
Yes.
All right. Okay, guys.
Yes.
ये आपके सामने जो स्लाइड है ना, दुनिया की सबसे ज्यादा जहरीली स्लाइड है. This is very, very negative, filled with lots of negative energy. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. अमेरिका में एक रिसर्च हुई थी, वहां पे पता लगाया गया कि अगर जो लोग बूढ़े हो गए हैं उनको तुरंत वापस लेकर जाए, if they want to make them young, what is the number one thing they want to do? उस समय उन्होंने बोला कि मैं जिस चीज से डरता था वो सबसे पहले करूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे डर था कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, और उस वजह से मैंने कुछ भी नहीं करा. बच्चों के अंदर भी बहुत बड़ी तकलीफ होती है. कई बार छोटे बच्चे लोग उनको क्या बोलेंगे, हंसेंगे तो क्या करेंगे, इसलिए उनको फियर ऑफ फेलियर निकालना बहुत जरूरी है. एज ए पेरेंट आप बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हो. नंबर 2, पुअर सेल्फ इमेज. आप में से कोई बता पाएंगे व्हाट इज सेल्फ इमेज? सेल्फ इमेज का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज सेल्फ इमेज? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी?
Confidence on ourselves.
What do you think about yourself?
What do you think about yourself? Who said this?
Shubhada.
Shubhada, you got such a nice name, fantastic name. Thank you. Shubhada, that is exact answer. See, जब भी आप अपने आप को आईने में देखते हो तो आपको कौन दिखता है? एक प्राउड मदर, एक प्राउड फादर, एक प्राउड हस्बैंड, प्राउड वाइफ, कौन दिखता है आपको? सेल्फ इमेज प्लेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन योर लाइफ. Okay. Unfortunately, if as a parent, if you have a poor self image, आप unknowingly आपके बच्चे में भी poor self image डाल देते हो. ये important क्यों मालूम है? क्योंकि एक poor self image के parent cannot raise a strong and positive self image person or a child. It is very, very important. आप उसके बगैर नहीं कर सकते. तो आपको आपकी भी और अपने बच्चे की भी सेल्फ इमेज को इम्प्रूव करना है. जैसे कि 1 लीटर की बिस्लरी की बोतल में 1 लीटर से ज्यादा पानी नहीं आ सकता, ठीक वैसे ही एक पुअर सेल्फ इमेज में बड़े ड्रीम्स नहीं आ सकते. मैं आपको बताऊं, लोग मरते मर जाते लेकिन वो सोच नहीं सकते कि कभी बड़ी गाड़ी खरीदेंगे, कभी अच्छे घर में रहेंगे, कभी अच्छा एजुकेशन लेंगे, कभी पॉश लोकेलिटी में जाएंगे. उनको नहीं होता. क्यों? क्योंकि उनकी खुद की सेल्फ इमेज बार बार उनको नीचे खींचती है. उनके अंदर से एक आवाज आती है. क्या आवाज आती है? शुभदा, तू ऐसा नहीं कर सकती. शुभदा, हर बड़ी चीज लोगों के लिए रहेगी. शुभदा, तू अपने आप को चुप कर ले. शुभदा, यू आर यूजलेस. ऐसे जब अंदर से नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं तो आपको आगे बढ़ने से रोकते हैं. पुअर पेरेंटिंग का सबसे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है पुअर सेल्फ इमेज. तो आपकी सेल्फ इमेज इंप्रूव कैसे करा जा सकती है, मैं आपको थोड़ी देर बाद बताऊंगा. और नेगेटिव कंडीशनिंग के लिए बताते हैं. एंड दिस इज द 6th गोल्डन स्टेटमेंट. दीति प्रिया, कैंसर ऑफ माइंड. कैंसर ऑफ माइंड इज द थिंग. आपकी लाइफ से 3C को आप बिल्कुल हटा दीजिए. कंपेयर, कंप्लेन, क्रिटिसाइज. कंपेयर, कंप्लेन, क्रिटिसाइज. कंपेयर करना बंद कर दीजिए, क्रिटिसाइज करना बंद कर दीजिए, कंप्लेन करना बंद कर दीजिए. ये जहर है. मैक्सिमम नेगेटिविटी दुनिया में जो भी आती है कंपेयर, कंप्लेन, क्रिटिसाइज से आती है. और सोशल मीडिया फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक फेसबुक इज फ्यूलिंग द नेगेटिविटी. लोग वहां पर ऐसी लार्जर देन लाइफ इमेज डालते हैं जो उनको पसंद ही नहीं है. दे स्टार्ट टू पुट डाउन देमसेल्फ बिकॉज दे ऑलवेज सी समवन बेटर देन देम ऑन द सोशल मीडिया. लोग आजकल अपने हस्बैंड वाइफ को फेस टू फेस विश नहीं करते, वो फेसबुक के थ्रू करते हैं. Now this is ridiculous. This is a mature. It creates lot of negative impact. Negative conditioning से बचना है. और एक रिसर्च के अनुसार by the time the child becomes 18 years of age, they would have heard negative things 148,000 times. What to talk when you talk to yourself? It's a wonderful book by J. Hemsterd. He says, by the time you're 18 years of age, you would have heard negative things 148,000 times. Guys, this is such an important thing. This is the biggest root cause of poor parenting. Because at the time of crisis, only poor parenting is something that will really, really put your child down. And you, as a quick team, you have to work in parallel, right? That is important. Okay, now I want to share 5 powerful, very important techniques from my leadership development program that is working and that is helping hundreds and hundreds of kids in different parts of the country. And people are getting benefits. So I'm taking the 5 more important things from there. And this is for the parents, and parent has to understand, give them every possible thing that they need to do it for their kid. Okay, this is very, very important, right? Okay, and here it is. Number 1, don't annoy your child. अपने बच्चों को दुखी मत करो माइक्रो मैनेज करके कि ये मत करे, वो मत करे, ऐसा मत करे. इसके मतलब उनको सेंस ऑफ कंट्रोल दीजिए. We are expert in telling कि ये मत करो, लेकिन we are never there to tell कि तुम ये करो. Okay, I am starting 180-day challenge. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि अगर आप कोई चीज 180 days के लिए करते हो तो that becomes part of your daily routine. आप हर दिन 3 घंटे अपनी प्रायोरिटीज पर वर्क करिए. See, most of you are working and then corporates in personal life or professional life, you have different things to do. मैं आपको बोलता हूं कि you have to start with 180-day challenge. 180-day challenge में क्या करना है? आप आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ या प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में से कोई एक ऐसी चीज लीजिए जो आपको लगता है कि हाईएस्ट रिवॉर्ड देगी. For example, you have to improve the content of your work, or maybe you have to improve your communication skill. Maybe you have to improve your time management skill. Maybe you have to improve your technical understanding. You have to work on some of the certification and some courses. 6 महीने तक के हर दिन 3 घंटे, 180 days multiplied by 3 hours. So there are almost 500 hours plus. अगर आप 500 घंटे किसी चीज पे काम कर लेते हो, you will be an expert. Hundreds of people, they came to me that they could not find a job, they need a promotion. I said, just focus on value adding. आपको as a parent आपके बच्चे के ऊपर value addition करना है. 180-day challenge लीजिए, आप कर सकते हो. This is something that you can commit. If you can do this, just write in the chat box C for challenge. Okay, let me understand how many people are there. I can talk more about this. C for challenge. 180-day, very, very powerful concept. This is what I teach in corporate. 180-day challenge करना है. बहुत ही सिंपल है. अगर आपको फॉर एग्जांपल आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इंप्रूव करनी है, 180-day चैलेंज क्या करना है? आपको हर दिन 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, आधा घंटा आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल के लिए इंप्रूव करना है. वोकैबुलरी इंप्रूव करनी है. There are so many videos on YouTube. I also made one YouTube video. I will share the link. Diti, please remind me to share the link about the vocabulary. Okay? It is a fantastic video. आप 10 मिनट के अंदर 125 words याद कर सकते हो. In 10 minutes, you will learn 125 words. Okay? So please remind me to share that video. Okay? That's number 1. Okay. Give them the sense of control. आपको बच्चों को sense of control देना पड़ेगा. Please stop micromanaging your child. Okay? All right. Okay. Mutually.
Somebody has raised their hand. Somebody
Okay.
called Thompson.
Sorry, I cannot see. Are there any quick question, guys?
Okay, no, maybe then that was by mistake.
Okay. All right, guys. If you have question, I will give enough time. So maybe after the at the end of the session, we will have question answers. Meanwhile, if you have question, please send these questions to Diti Priya or to Lily ma'am, and they will pass that question to me. That will be easy. Okay. See, mutually agree to a routine. आप एक routine के लिए agree करिए. आप बच्चे के साथ में बैठिए कि हमें 3 घंटे पढ़ाई करनी है और 3 घंटे में आपको फिजिक्स, मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी जो भी आपके सब्जेक्ट्स में ये कवर करना है, और बच्चे को सेंस ऑफ कंट्रोल दीजिए. गो एंड आई विल टॉक टू यू आफ्टर 3 hours. बच्चों को थोड़ा कंट्रोल दीजिए। अब आप बोलेंगे कि सर वो तो कुछ नहीं करेंगे, टाइम बिगाड़ कर आ जाएगी, तो 1 दिन करेंगे, 2 दिन करेंगे। बच्चों को बताइए कि आपने उनको ट्रस्ट करा और बच्चे ने आपके ट्रस्ट को तोड़ा। उनको बोलना कि अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ, आपको अच्छे से करना है। दूसरे दिन शायद उसकी एफिशिएंसी 5% और बढ़ जाएगी। कल उसने 30% काम करा था, आज 35 कर देगा। Within a month, you will have a very, very important things. I tell you quickly about the leadership development program. I focus on 3 important aspects. Number 1, and I would say the most important, is making independent problem solver. So I am there to help your child to make them independent problem solver. How to independently solve the problem. That's number 1. Number 2, building confidence. How to build the confidence of the child. And number 3, that is again very much in demand, how to improve their public speaking, communication skills, presentation skills, the interpersonal skill. क्योंकि अगर ये 3 चीजें improve हो जाती है, you will see start to help you in different aspects of the life. Okay? So expose them to the planning and organizational skills. Give them what can be done, how they could have done it differently. Tell them what are the better options. This is number 2. Number 3, what they can do is emphasize the process rather than the outcome. Very important, guys. If I come and see how you are behaving with your child, with your other people, you will love it. Okay? तो आज नहीं तो कल आप बच्चे को टाइम दीजिए, आप बिल्कुल टाइम दीजिए, आप प्रोसेस कंट्रोल करिए. Okay? Take them through a nice process, do the right thing that is required. All right? Create a family culture where it is okay to make mistakes. It is okay. It's not end of the world. People can mistake, and people who try will always make mistakes. The people who try will only make mistakes. The people who never try, they will never make a mistake, but they are making the biggest blunder of their life by not trying at all. Okay? So that is something that you have to do this. All right. So somebody has raised hand. I don't know, it's by mistake. Is it? All right, let's move on. Be an active listener in their interest. अगर आप आपके बच्चे के साथ में आधा घंटा वो करते जो आपका बच्चा चाहता है, अगर आप आपके बच्चे के साथ आधा घंटा करते जो आपका बच्चा चाहता है, बच्चे में 23.5 घंटे बच्चा आपकी बात सुनेगा. Please write it down. Please invest your time. Please invest your time with your kid. Enter into their world. और ये कैसे करता हूं मैं आपको अभी बताता हूँ. I have 2 children. My son is 8 years old and my daughter is 14. Okay? हर दिन मैं रात में सोने के पहले ये करता हूँ कि I talk and spend 5, 10, 20, 15 minutes talking to them, understanding them, listening to them, what they are into, try to understand what they are trying to do with their life, improve the quality of their life. And this is how I also understand how far my kids have gone into the life. Okay? So parents, you have to promise me one more time, you have to write P into the chat box. Please promise me 15 minutes. 15 minutes before the children go to the bed. Please spend the time just listening to them. Listening to them. Listening to them. 15 minutes. और उनको जब जाएगा ना, बोला बेटा यू आर द वंडरफुल बच्चा, यू आर सच ए नाइस पर्सन, आपने मम्मी की कितनी हेल्प करी आज किचन में, पापा की कितनी हेल्प करी, आई एम वेरी मच प्राउड ऑफ यू, यू आर डूइंग फैंटास्टिक. बच्चे को ये एम्फेसिस बचपन में बहुत जरूरी रहता है. प्लीज डू दिस. ओके, राजश्री मराठे, यू रेज्ड हैंड. राजेश्री, ओके. Please take active interest in your children or in your child's life. All right. The 5th one is my favorite. Guys, आपको अभी तक पता लग गया होगा. I am a motivational speaker. I am a success coach. I am a student counselor. I am a corporate trainer. I am a student counselor. I am a life coach. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं. Guys, आपको लगता है कि क्या मैं मेरे बच्चों का मेंटर या कोच बन सकता हूँ? आपको लगता है? Wilson Sakpal, can you answer that please?
Yes.
I can. Yes.
No.
No. Okay. Who said no?
This is Sonam Bora.
Okay, Sonam, tell me why you think no.
No.
बोलिए माधवी जी, आप बोलिए, why you think no?
Because usually everybody discount their near ones.
Very nice. Thank you, Parag. Thank you very much.
Doctor cannot treat his own child.
So usually the child takes the parent for granted. So if you're trying to say something, they always think that it's the parent in her or him that's speaking. So they take us for granted.
You are all right. Fantastic. And that's the reason I have one mentor for my own daughter. I have, and when she talks, whatever input I want to give to my child, it goes through a mentor. मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ, अगर आपकी कार खराब होती है, आप गैराज में लेकर जाते हो। अगर आपको एक फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस रहती है, तो आप फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट के पास जाते हो। अगर आप एक घर बनाना, तो आप आर्किटेक्ट के पास जाते हो। सो देयर आर स्पेशलिस्ट। नाउ फॉर, अगर आप आपकी लाइफ के, बच्चे के लाइफ के अगर 10 घंटे किसी प्रॉपर एक मेंटर उसको असाइन कर दे ऑन अ पर्सनल लाइफ और अ प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, वो ज्यादा हेल्प करेगा। एंड दिस इज सच अ बिग टैबू, स्पेशली इन इंडिया। यहाँ पे माँ बाप हर कुछ चीज अपना करना चाहते हैं। इट इज क्वाइट पॉसिबल, यू कैन ट्राई, बट द रेट ऑफ लर्निंग इज मच लेसर if you do it yourself. If the children go out, they learn much fast. और मैं आपको बताता हूँ, जैसे भी लॉकडाउन खुले, whenever you are comfortable, आप आपके बच्चों को कम से कम 4 दिन या 3 दिन के ट्रिप पर भेजे, जहां वो रात में सोएंगे भी, सुबह उठेगी भी, how they go to washroom, how they interact with others. ये 3 दिन उनको 3 साल आगे लेके चले जाएंगे। Too much protection sometimes is not working. You have to make it very, very clear. Okay, that is how you have to make sure things are going as per your expectations. Okay, where we can start, develop the self-awareness. Okay, ready to be an instrument, how to be ready to the instrument. आपको बच्चे के लिए help करना, don't be a controller, and accept the less perfect world. Okay guys, it's already 8 o'clock. I'm a bit concerned about your valuable time, though I want to do it more, and maybe in a good time I will do it. I just want to share one last slide, and then we will open for question answer for 10-15 minutes. Okay, I just want to share some last slides so that we can have question answers. This is my last slide. This is your scorecard, the common practice of super achiever. I want first the parent to become a super achiever, because whatever the parents will do, the children will follow. Okay. Okay, you need to be an expert in painting great dreams. Okay, you should learn to ask right question to your child. You should be a thought leader. आपके बच्चों को बताना चाहिए कि आप क्या कर सकते हो. They are coachable. आपको बच्चों को कोच करते आना चाहिए. You should be a happiness finder. And 6 is you have to persist intelligently. Persist, you have to learn to invent possibilities. And last is believe in miracles. Parents, I want you to rate yourself out of 8 and tell me how much you are gaining from this. All right, Diti, I'm open. Lily madam, I have tried to address the question that I have got. Are there any questions, suggestions, or anything? Please let me know. By the way, I have to share you some
Can you share that vocabulary enhancing link again?
Video, I think. Yeah, you're supposed to share a video and some vocabulary.
Okay. All right, guys, I want to share you this wonderful video, and this has got the vocabulary. Can you imagine in 10 minutes you can learn 125 words? आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. Hello, can you all hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Satish has 7. Most of you are giving 7, 7, 7, 8. Medansh 8. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Guys, please take time to write.
How are you?
Okay. ओके गाइस, दिस इज अ वोकेबलरी। आप क्या कर सकते हो अगर आपके पास में 5 मिनट है, मीटिंग के बीच में आपके 5 मिनट है, आप ये वीडियो पर जाइए, इसको क्लिक करिए, आपके सामने वर्ड्स आने लग जाएंगे। जस्ट ट्राई टू सी इफ यू नो दैट वर्ड, इफ यू नो दैट वर्ड फैंटास्टिक, इफ यू डोंट नो लर्न इट। 10 मिनट में 125 वर्ड्स, देयर विल बी 10 मोर वीडियोस कमिंग। और एक बात बता दो, इफ यू वांट टू बी अ लीडर, इफ यू वांट टू हैव एन इन्फ्लुएंस इन योर लाइफ, यू हैव टू हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग वोकैबुलरी। आपने सभी ने वोकैबुलरी वो देख लिया क्या, वोकैबुलरी के लिंक, यूट्यूब के लिंक?
Yes.
ओके, वेरी नाइस, दैट इज सच अ वंडरफुल थिंग। मैं आपको एक और चीज देना चाहता हूँ, जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर माय गुड फ्रेंड्स नाउ। ओके, दिस आर 50 पावरफुल कोड्स, ओके, टू कीप यू मोटिवेटेड ड्यूरिंग द टफ टाइम। मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप आपके बच्चे को ये बिल्कुल दिखाइए, मैं चाहता हूँ आपके बच्चे को आप ये बिल्कुल दिखाइए।
Sir, I'm sorry, I didn't get you. I couldn't find the link. Which link are you talking about?
ओके, मैंने आपको चैटिंग में भेजा, चैट में दिखा आपको?
Oh, okay, okay, sorry.
Just go to
Got
the
it.
chatting, please.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just sharing again for the people who missed it. I'm sorry. वोकैबुलरी की आपको फिर से लिंक शेयर कर रहा हूँ। लिली मैडम, हेलो।
Can you get me?
Hello, Lily madam, you there?
Hello.
Yes.
So I want to ask you one question. How could we expand our means learning in English? How to learn
improve your English
understanding?
communication, right?
Yeah, communication in English.
Okay. Can I ask a small favor? This is a very long question. Are there more people of this similar question?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. How do you address success failure for your children? Just like you don't want to punish them for failure, do you reward them for success? Very nice. Okay. Okay, let me see. The first thing that you have to understand is you have to build confidence. Most people think कि अगर मुझे इंग्लिश आ गई तो मेरे में कॉन्फिडेंस भी आ जाएगा। That's a stupid concept. सबसे पहले आपको कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप करना पड़ेगा। और मैडम, अगर पेरेंट्स में फॉर एग्जांपल अनफॉर्चुनेटली इफ दे आर आल्सो वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट, बच्चे भी इंट्रोवर्ट हो जाते हैं। ओके, सो देयर आर सर्टेन प्रोग्राम्स दैट यू कैन एनरोल और यू कैन जॉइन। ये एक क्विक फिक्स नहीं होता। एवरी पर्सन इज डिफरेंट, एवरी चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट। वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी कैन improve to do this. I tell you 3 simple techniques to improve your communication skills. Number 1, speak, speak, speak. And stay with people who are better than you in terms of your communication. That's number 1. Number 2, see, आपको बोलना नहीं, आपके मुंह से बकवास नहीं करना। You have to be very intellectual, you have to be learned, you have to speak intelligently. तो आपको उसके लिए बहुत पढ़ना पड़ेगा। That is number 2. Number 3, you need to learn the dynamics of the communication. आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसी है, आपके हैंड जेस्चर कैसे है, आपका वोकैबुलरी कैसी है, जो कि हमने आपसे भी शेयर करी है। तो सॉरी, आपका नाम क्या है जिसने क्वेश्चन पूछा था इंग्लिश के लिए? हेलो।
अक्षरा पुंगरिया।
ओके, अक्षरा जी, आपको वोकैबुलरी भी इंप्रूव करना चाहिए, आपकी भी करना चाहिए और आपके बच्चे की भी करना चाहिए। जो मैंने लिंक भेजी है, आपने वो देखी क्या लिंक वोकैबुलरी की? वोकैबुलरी की आपने
पानी देना।
प्लीज गो ऑन म्यूट।
चालू से।
Yeah, I have seen.
Okay, thank you very much.
काम जरा।
ओके, संजीत जॉन, अनफॉर्चुनेटली होता यह है कि पूरी दुनिया में स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस में आपको बताया जाता है कि सक्सेसफुल कैसे बनना है। आपको यह कभी नहीं बताया जाता कि फेलियर्स को हैंडल कैसे करना है। फेलियर को हैंडल करने के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चाहिए होती है सेल्फ इमेज, रेसिलियंस डेवलप करना पड़ेगा और अंदर ही अंदर एक स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्पस जनरेट करना पड़ेगा जिससे आप लाइफ में ऊपर जा सकते हो, वन आफ्टर द अनदर। ओके, तो आपके मन में एक पहले वैल्यू बिल्डिंग होना चाहिए, आपकी वैल्यूज होना चाहिए। आपको गलती करने के परमिशन रहना चाहिए. ओके, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट स्मॉल एंड स्लोली बिल्ड ऑन इट. ओके, मैं आपको एक मेरा वेब पेज शेयर करता हूं. Diti Priya, I don't know if Lily ma'am is around or she has left. These are some of the links. I
Sir,
appreciate.
I'm here.
Okay.
Sir, I'm here and I've sent you all the questions the parents had sent. No
Okay.
more new questions have come. And I think you have covered all the areas with your wonderful interactive sessions, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, madam, these are some of the links. I appreciate if you pass this to the parents because some of them.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. I'll definitely do so.
Okay. Okay, see, this is very important page. You go there. This is important page where every detail about how to build your child's confidence and do this. Okay, so it's a process. It takes time. आज का जो session है, it's all about awareness. It is about awareness, how we can develop more powerful techniques for improving our communication skills, having a good parenting skills. मैं एक बात बताऊं सभी पेरेंट्स को यहाँ पे, some secret. Can I tell you one secret? Shall I?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, secret आप किसी को मत बताना है, मैं आपको ही बता रहा हूँ, सिर्फ just my good friend. Most of the time when children come to me with their parents and parents बोलते हैं कि मेरे बच्चे को काउंसलिंग की जरूरत है, और मुझे बात करके बाद में ये लगता है कि चिल्ड्रन से ज्यादा इट इज पेरेंट्स who need counseling. This is such a big irony.
So can you please repeat the sentence?
कि ना हमें लगता है कि हमारे बच्चे में परेशानी है, कि बच्चे को काउंसलिंग की जरूरत है. ठीक है, लेकिन मैं जब बच्चे से ही बात करता हूँ, पेरेंट्स से बात करता हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि बच्चों को इतनी ज्यादा काउंसलिंग की जरूरत नहीं जितने कि पेरेंट्स को है. बिकॉज पेरेंट्स अननोइंगली they create lot of damage. Okay, I'm getting some more questions here. Sanchita Bhumik, children can sometimes revolt because they sometimes try to find freedom of thought and action. How can we explain them without compromising the concept?
Good question.
Good question. Okay, thank you very much, sir, for teachers for the wonderful session. Very nice. Okay, now getting the things. Okay, now Sanchita, this is important. Sometimes I also struggle with this. I will tell you two wonderful techniques. I am practicing it. And sometimes I also have a bad day. Patience and tolerance. Okay? And I will give a simple formula, 3F. 3F. You have to be firm, you have to be fair, you have to be friendly. You have to be firm. No, beta, we are not doing it. This is not good. And fair. Don't take advantage of your child. Don't abuse them. Don't control them. Be fair. And the third thing is do it friendly. So 3F. Okay. 3F. Friend. 3F. Firm, fair, and friendly. This is such an important thing. Right? Sanchita, I hope that answers your question. और अभी आप लोग क्यों परेशान हैं, मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आता. अभी मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि आप लोग इतने परेशान क्यों हैं. अभी तो आपकी लाइफ में म्यूजिक चालू भी नहीं हुई है. The real music starts when the children goes into the teenage. अभी तो आपके बच्चे छोटे छोटे हैं. The real thing will start if our kids start learning abuse from others' kids. Then what shall we do?
Hello?
Yes, please tell me.
Sir, can you repeat the 3F?
Okay.
That is
F,
firm,
F, F.
fair, and which is the last F? Which is the last?
Firm, fair, friendly.
Friendly.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. दोस्तों, मेरा एक आपसे छोटा सा निवेदन है. अगर आपको जरा सा भी अच्छा लगा है तो मेरा वेबसाइट की लिंक है, मेरे यूट्यूब की लिंक है. आप यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देख के अगर आप वो लाइक बटन दबा देंगे और इफ यू कैन सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, दैट विल हेल्प मी. और उससे मेरा भी 50 ग्राम खून बढ़ जाएगा. दैट इज स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट. इफ यू थिंक दिस इज वी आर डूइंग सम वंडरफुल वर्क हियर, दैट्स अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट. दक्षा, आपका लीना का क्वेश्चन ये है कि इफ आवर किड इज स्टार्ट लर्निंग अब्यूज फ्रॉम अदर किड्स, then what shall we do, sir? Lena, are you a housewife? Are you working? Or husband, both of you are earning truckload of money? कैसा कर रहे हैं आप?
No, sir, I am housewife.
मैडम तो फिर एक काम करता हूँ, आप है ना, आपने बच्चे को ही सबसे ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट करिए आपका टाइम. ओके?
Yes, yes.
मैं आपको दिखा रहा
Yes, sir.
इसको जनरली लोग मोबाइल बोलते हैं. अगर मेरा बस चले तो मैं इसको उठा के फेंक दूं. This is such a necessary evil. I can run my whole business with this mobile phone. मैं आपसे डिस्कस कर सकता हूँ कि give quality time, and when it comes from heart, it will go to heart to your child.
Okay.
So एक strong sense of commitment रहता है, क्योंकि parenting is not like % or 20% or 99%. Parenting is 100%. और वाइफ दोनों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. अगर हस्बैंड नहीं कर रहा है तो इट इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि माय हस्बैंड इज नॉट डूइंग सो आई कैन नॉट डू एवरीथिंग. नो, इट इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, यू लाइक इट और नॉट, क्योंकि बच्चे को सफर नहीं होना है. एंड आई टेल यू, आई हेट प्लेइंग विद माय किड्स, बट द मोमेंट आई सी हैप्पीनेस ऑन देयर फेस, I love it. What can you say about emotional balance of the child when it comes to chronic? Okay, yes. What about children, even the parents, even the adults, they are suffering because of the emotional intelligence. It is pandemic. It is pandemic. और मुझे अभी इस समय कोरोना के समय, लॉकडाउन के समय, I am getting maximum calls from parents because I am a life coach as well. हस्बैंड वाइफ की लड़ाई हो रही है, उनको डिवोर्स चाहिए, उनको साथ में नहीं रहना है. Guys, this is such a shame. Emotional intelligence can be developed, can be learned. और इन सभी का आंसर ये है कि वैल्यू सिस्टम कितनी स्ट्रांग है. अगर आपने प्रॉमिस करा है अपने आप के लिए कि आप हर हाल में साथ में रहेंगे, then you are fine. And I told you wonderfully well, it's already before, the people who are illiterate, their sense of commitment, responsibility towards relationship is much higher than the literate people. Because both of them thinks कि मुझे तुम्हारी क्या जरूरत है, मैं तो पढ़ी लिखी हूँ, सुंदर हूँ, मैं भी हैंडसम हूँ, तो अभी मेरा मार्केट वैल्यू अच्छा है. आई एम वेरी सॉरी अबाउट सेइंग दिस. And their commitment for a relation is very, very thin. Okay? Every second marriage after 5 years is a divorce in America. Okay? 50% of people, they don't want to stay. There are more children conceived outside of marriage than in the marriage. लोग शादी नहीं कर रहे लेकिन बच्चे पैदा कर रहे हैं. See, we come from such a cultured background. It should reflect. It should reflect the way we speak, the way we talk, the way we understand the things.
So can I ask a question, sir?
Please, please. Who is this?
This is Rajesh Pahurkar.
Okay,
Yeah.
please tell me, Rajesh ji.
So, sir, can parent be a mentor and vice versa?
Actually, parents are natural mentors.
Okay.
Okay. Now there is more to it, but sometimes something needs to be told in a very firm way. And sometimes parents don't want to disturb that chemistry. So most of the time parents call me and we have 10-hour session, 5-hour sessions with the kids. And these 5 hours and 10 hours take them 10, 20 years away in their life.
Okay.
So it is very important. And that's where people like me come into the role. And we do wonderful things. क्योंकि आपको वो करने में सालों लग जाएंगे.
Okay.
Yes.
So what do you think the child will take seriously, to the parent or to the mentor?
See, neutral advice is always appreciated. Neutral advice is always appreciated. And we have seen, the child has seen the father. So the intimacy breeds the contempt. अति परिचय से अवज्ञा होती है. चाणक्य पंडित says, अति परिचय से अवज्ञा होती है.
Right.
अगर एक पहाड़ के ऊपर चंदन के वृक्ष है ना, तो वहां पर लोग चंदन की लकड़ियों को भी है ना ईंधन की तरह यूज करने लग जाते हैं.
True, very true.
राजेश, आप जीनियस हो गए. You will be fantastic manager. You will be fantastic leader. लेकिन बच्चे के सामने आप वही फादर हो, right? So
Yes,
someone else will come, they will do it nicely, professionally, everything will be worked out very well. But if your child is very obedient and listening to you, thumbs up.
You're right. Yeah.
Okay, are there any other quick questions?
So this is Tushar here. I have a question.
Okay.
So when we say that we have to give a freedom to our kids, okay, what if for some reason we get to know that the things are getting out of hand? What do you suggest at that point of time?
Sure. No, this is genuine question. See, है ना, कई बार क्या होता है कि वो जब डॉग्स लवर जब उनको है ना वॉक के लिए ले जाते हैं, उनके हाथ में टीथर रहता है, राइट? तो वो जब कुत्ता कई बार जिद करता है एक जगह जाके वॉशरूम करने के लिए, कहीं जाके सूंघने के लिए, तो थोड़ी सी ढील दे देते हैं। तो बाद में जाके है ना वो टीथर वापस अपने तरफ ले लेते हैं,
राइट?
कि आपको इंटेलिजेंट रहना है, बेवकूफ नहीं बनना है आपको। यू आर सेंसिटिव टुवर्ड्स योर चाइल्ड। और बच्चों को बिठाकर 3F, तुषार, ये आपको जिंदगी भर आपके गले में तावीज की तरह पहनना है। 3F, यू हैव टू बी फर्म, फेयर होना चाहिए, उसको बताना चाहिए कि जो तू कर रहा है उसका क्या गलत होने वाला है,
राइट? ट्रू।
और फ्रेंडली एंड डोंट बज। और बच्चे क्या करते हैं, कई बार हस्बैंड अगर फादर ने कोई बात बोली है ना, मदर आके डाइल्यूट कर देती है,
राइट?
कि नहीं नहीं बेटा कुछ नहीं होता, फादर तो ऐसा बोलते, मैं करूंगी तेरे लिए। तो आप बंद कमरे में हस्बैंड और वाइफ आप बैठ के पहले एक रणनीति बना लीजिए। क्योंकि जो दिल के डिसीजन है ना, दिमाग से लेना चाहिए।
राइट।
आप बगल में आके तुषार आपकी वाइफ को बोलना कि मेरे को बंद कमरे में तू डांट देना, लेकिन बच्चों के सामने डोंट डू दिस स्टूपिड थिंग।
राइट।
और तुषार आप गलत हो सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन it is important to understand what the child is thinking, what your wife is also thinking.
Exactly, yeah.
और हस्बैंड्स लोग क्या करते हैं कि वो ऐसा लगता है कि घर के अंदर भी वो मैनेजर है और बिल्कुल ऐसा डिक्टेशन चलता है। नहीं, घर में आके पोछा लगाना पड़ेगा। सर आपको लगाया आपने पोछा कभी तुषार जी घर में?
अभी किया ना लॉकडाउन में।
क्या एक्सपर्ट हो गए होंगे आप तो?
नहीं, इतना अभी भी नहीं।
एक्सपर्ट मत बनना, नहीं तो फिर आपको करना पड़ेगा शायद।
वो करना भी नहीं है।
I hope your wife is also listening to this discussion.
Yeah, she is sitting next to me.
Wow. So you have to wear helmet now. Tushar ji's wife, what's your name? Tushar ji's wife. Tushar की wife का क्या नाम है?
दीपिका।
दीपिका, what do you think? इनको अच्छे से मॉप करते आ गया कि थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है अभी?
काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है।
तो तुषार जी, practice makes a man perfect. So please.
I will never accept anything good before my wife, so that it doesn't become a routine.
I could see something is burning there. मैं एक और सीक्रेट बता दूं आप लोगों को, just because you are my good friends. Can I tell you one secret?
Yeah. Please go ahead.
There is no fun in medicine, but lot of medicine in fun. Yes or no?
True.
हंसो यार, हंसो। आपको भगवान ने बच्चे दिए। आपको मालूम है impotency and lack of erection is major issue these days. You know that? To have a healthy child is Lord's blessing. हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि this is coming to us because of no reason. This is coming to us after lots and lots of sukrati, good karma. So this is time to say thank you to the Lord. Okay, this is coming after a lot of things. कितने लोगों को नसीब नहीं है, हमें पता नहीं है। So please respect such a wonderful opportunity. Guys, 8:20 हो गए हैं। मुझे तो आप लोगों को
Sir, this is Abhitosh here. Can I ask you one question?
Please, you are already asking.
Sir, now this be the last, and then
Hello?
we'll propose also thanks.
Okay, सबसे पहले
Sir, could this be the last question?
Yes, किस ने मेरा चैनल लाइक करा, मुझे सबसे पहले वो बताओ। If you don't love me, it means you don't like my channel. Now this is.
We are not able to see you now on the screen.
You cannot see me.
Yeah, now it is clear. I think there was a little buffering. Now it is clear. So this is with regards to the public speaking. How to improve on the public speaking, and one of the aspect which you mentioned is regarding reading. Correct.
Yes.
Now I oftenly have observed that the speed of reading also matters a lot. So would you want to suggest some techniques which will help us to improve the speed of reading? and obviously the concentration.
Okay.
So is there any specific technique which can help a child to improve the speed of reading?
Okay, ये आपके लिए पूछ रहे हैं कि आपके बच्चे के लिए पूछ रहे हैं?
हाँ, obviously मेरे लिए और बच्चों के लिए, दोनों के लिए.
तो फिर बोलो ना, खुलकर बोलो सर. मैं आपको एक है ना बिल्कुल बहुत ही धुआंधार फॉर्मूला देता हूँ. आपका नाम क्या है?
अभितोष.
अभितोष. ओके, रीडिंग प्लस कॉम्प्रिहेंशन इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके, अब साइंस का है ना आपको थोड़ी सी नॉलेज?
यस.
कांस्टेंट है रीडिंग. आप जितना जल्दी जल्दी रीड करोगे प्लस कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, उतना कॉम्प्रिहेंशन कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि कांस्टेंट 1 है.
करेक्ट.
तो सबसे पहले अपनी मेंटल कैपेसिटी को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा इंफॉर्मेशन को प्रोसेस करने के लिए. आई एम टॉकिंग वेरी साइंटिफिक. आई एम सॉरी सम पीपल आई माइट लूज सम पीपल हियर. आपकी मेंटल कैपेसिटी को पहले बढ़ाना पड़ेगा इंफॉर्मेशन को ग्रास्प करने के लिए. जो आपका कांस्टेंट है 1, उसको सबसे पहले आपको 2 करना पड़ेगा, 3 करना पड़ेगा. राइट? और उसके लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है हाउ हंग्री यू आर फॉर दैट नॉलेज दैट यू आर रीडिंग. अभी आपको जितनी ज्यादा भूख लगेगी उतनी तेजी से आप खाना बनाते हो. यस और नो?
राइट.
कभी आपने पता नहीं अभी तो कभी आपने खाना बनाया कि नहीं बनाया, लेकिन जिस समय अगर आपने आपकी वाइफ को बाहर खाने के लिए ले गए और उनको घर पे आने के बाद अगर आपके फादर मदर के लिए खाना बनाना पड़ा तो उस समय अच्छा खाना नहीं बनने वाला. मैं आपको लिख के दे सकता हूं.
राइट.
तो क्योंकि वो उसका पेट भरा हुआ है, उसको भूख नहीं लग रही है, तो इस समय जो भी काम होगा ना वो परफेक्ट स्ट्रोक नहीं रहेगा. तो नेवर एवर लेट एनी पर्सन हु इज नॉट हंग्री टू कुक द फूड. तो यहां पर भी वही है कि अगर आपको सब कुछ पता है तो आप रीडिंग क्यों कर रहे हो? पहले आपको एक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा साइंस के टर्म में, तभी तो करंट फ्लो होगा मेरे भाई. तो रीडिंग करना इज ऑल अबाउट हाउ हंग्री यू वांट टू ग्रास्प द नॉलेज. ओके, दिस इज वेरी वेरी फंडामेंटल. हमारे पास ये इसके ऊपर मेरे एक्चुअली लेक्चर्स ही होते हैं. हाउ टू रीड 1 बुक एवरी डे, हाउ टू ओवरकम स्ट्रेस, हाउ टू टेक द नेगेटिविटी आउट ऑफ योर लाइफ, हाउ टू हैव हैप्पी मैरिज रिलेशनशिप. दिस आर माय सेशंस. सो इसमें ये 2-2 दिन के सेशंस रहते हैं. तो दिस इज द क्रक्स. आई कैन टेल यू. I will be happy if you have any personal questions because it's already 8:30. 2 घंटे हो चुके हमें. तो how to improve child's focus. Sorry, we are running out of time now. So Lily ma'am, I request if
yes sir.
Yes ma'am. So sir, thank you for the answer.
This is Deepika Fernandez.
If you like my
propose a vote of thanks.
My YouTube channel, please like my channel. That's small help I need from you guys.
Sure,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sure, sir.
We shall do that, sir.
Mrs. Deepika Fernandez, I wish to propose a vote of thanks.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. Am I audible? Hello?
You're audible.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. I would like to thank God for guiding us and helping us throughout the session and making it possible for all of us to attend this webinar. On behalf of the management and staff of St. Edmund Camping Preschool, I would like to express our sincere gratitude towards Mr. Anand Munshi for sparing his valuable time and being a great source of guidance and support to our parents. We thank you for patiently answering our queries and motivating us to work towards the betterment of our children. We will definitely try to improve. We will I would also like to thank our manager and principal, Father Francis D'Souza, for arranging this webinar, our supervisor, Lily ma'am, for her constant support and guidance in making this session a success. We would also like to thank Mrs. Diti Priya for her constant help and support rendered to make the session possible. Last but not the least, I would like to thank you, dear parents, for participating in such large numbers Without your participation, this wouldn't have been possible. Thank you once again and have a great evening ahead.
Thank you very much,
Thank you,
guys.
sir, once again.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, once again for your wonderful session.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
for
you,
the
madam.
very
Thank you,
nice
madam.
presentation.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you all.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
all.
you. Thank you, Amma.
Thanks for a wonderful
Thank you, sir.
session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much.